Hi, welcome back to the channel. So since we all have received a response sheet of Z, I have received mine and I just checked mine and I have messed up so much. I have scored the worst anyone could ever score. Like मेरा इतना ज़्यादा गंदा marks आया, it's just embarrassing to even show my score. But I have to show you, so let me just show you only. So this is the response sheet, but यहाँ से कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा. So let me just show you the predictable score according to CrackU and iQuanta. So first talking about CrackU. So according to CrackU, I have scored overall 21.25 and that is really low. But 21.25 तो फिर भी देखा जा रहा है. If you see quants, I have scored 1.5. And it's just very embarrassing. If you have seen my previous video, you must know कि मेरा क्वांट्स इतना बेकार तो नहीं था. मेरा एवरेज क्वांट्स में 10-11 आता था, बट इट वाज जस्ट वेरी अनएक्सपेक्टेड इन द एग्जाम व्हाट हैपेंड. सो मेरा 4 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट हुआ एंड 7 इनकरेक्ट. एंड मैं जब एग्जाम में सॉल्व कर रही थी, मैं सिर्फ 4 ही बना पाई. एंड आई जस्ट पैनिक्ड वेरी हार्ड कि इतना कम कैसे मैं सॉल्व कर रही हूँ. सो आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड मार्किंग द रैंडम ऑप्शन एंड इट्स जस्ट लीड मी टू 1.5 एंड दैट इज रियली लो. मेरा सेक्शनल भी क्लियर नहीं होगा एंड आई जस्ट हैव जीरो एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम दैट एग्जाम नाउ. लाइक कि मेरा कोई भी कॉलेज में होगा और मेरा किसी का भी सेक्शनल क्लियर होगा, बिकॉज द स्कोर इज वेरी लो हियर. In DM, I have scored 10.19 and VLR, I have scored 9.56 and that is according to CrackU. Now talking about iQuanta. So according to iQuanta also, I have scored 21.25, but there is a difference in sectional score. So in VLR, I have scored 10.83 and DM, I have scored 7.58 and QADI, I have scored 2.83. So भले CrackU का माने या iQuanta का, QA का सेक्शनल तो मेरा क्लियर नहीं ही होने वाला है. सो आई एम जस्ट वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड बाय माई सेल्फ कि मैं क्यों इतना पैनिक कर गई एंड इतना हड़बड़ा गई कि मेरा स्कोर इतना ज़्यादा कम हो गया. बट आई कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट राइट नाउ. सो इट्स जस्ट बेटर टू फोकस ऑन GDPI prep right now instead of regretting it. So yeah, and for GDPI, I want to mention one thing. Previously, if you have seen my video, I was about to join beta course of Elites Grid, but after talking to a lot of the student and a lot of the mentors, I have decided to switch my course and I am going to buy BTribe course, as I was very confused about it previously, but I have decided it right now. So I am going to buy BTribe and I am showing this portal right now because I am looking for a group discount thing. So if you want to join that, if you want to join BTribe, then please comment down below. I will add you in that group discount and we all will get a group discount for it. So there are 3 courses. Of first is of 10,000, second is of 15,000 and third is of 20,000. But I am going to purchase the 10,000 one. So if you also want to purchase this course, then please comment down below. I will add you in the group where we all are getting discount. So yeah, also this is not a sponsorship video, so don't take it like that. I'm really going to join it right now. I'm just looking for a group discount. So please comment down below if you are also looking towards it and you want to join BTribe for GDPI. And yeah, that's it for the video and thank you so much for watching it. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it. Bye bye.